passport to the future. For tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. A very good morning to one and all present over here. I, Garima Mane, faculty of CPJ College of Higher Studies and School of Law, welcome you all on the orientation of BA LLB first year students of CPJ College of Higher Studies and School of Law. We are honoured to welcome our Director General, Mr. Yugam Chaturvedi, our Deputy Director, School of Law, Dr. Amit Jain, in charge Management, Commerce and IT Department, Dr. Ashutosh Goyal, our Registrar, Mr. C.D. Mehta, Dean School of Law, Dr. Shalini Tyagi, and HOD of BLLB, Ms. Preeti Goyal. It gives us immense pleasure to welcome all our new students and the future lawyers of our country, as today's event is specially organized for welcoming the new budding future of nation and creators of Vision 2030, who will bring a valuable change in the system of judiciary. And I also want to express my deepest gratitude to all the parents who have come all the way to accompany their children for today's program. Chandraprabhu Jain College of Higher Studies and School of Law was established in 2007 by our respected chairman, Mr. Subhash Chandra Jain. With its dynamism and persistence for seeking and adopting innovative methods to improve the quality of higher education, the college has now established itself as one of the leading law colleges, not only in Delhi but also in Pan-India. Now may we request the gathering to kindly stand up in the honor of our national anthem, please. Education is the advancement of knowledge and the dissemination of truth. Orientation is much awaited event in every student's life, as it gives returns to the efforts put in by them. We in CPJ College School of Law believe in innovative learning practices that build skills, develop inventive thinking, enhance employability, as well as foster an entrepreneurial mindset. We promote interdisciplinary studies with a focus on industry-relevant and skill-oriented curriculums in the disciplines of management, commerce, IT, and law. In order to give stimulating learning environments, the college provides excellent facilities on campus and a very creative approach to learning by engaging new practices that are revolutionizing educational delivery all over the world. We strongly believe in inculcating in our students the vital attitude of lifelong learning. Therefore, we provide our students with ample opportunities to develop self-motivation and creativity. CPJ was established in 2007, and today our students and scholars cover the globe in their search for knowledge and meaning. And their contributions make a difference everywhere. And it gives me immense pride to say 3,000 plus students have been placed in reputed and top multinational companies. 6,000 plus alumni are associated with us and contributing in the growth of college. 1,000 plus campus events are successfully organized by our college. 1,000 plus high-profile guests, including luminaries from legal world, ministers and government officials, has graced all our events. CPJ College has 100 plus faculties and a strong mentorship of our top management, which is the reason for the growth and success of our college. Moving ahead, when darkness comes, let us not condemn the dark, but light a lamp to illuminate. On this note, We request our Director General, Mr. Yugam Chaturvedi, our CIT, Dr. Ashutosh Goyal, Dean School of Law, Dr. Shalini Tyagi, Registrar, Mr. C.D. Mehta, kindly come forward and commence the program with lighting of lamp, please. Begin with the blessings of Saraswati Vandana. For this, I would like to invite student Ms. Parul from BDLLB to perform a Saraswati Vandana for all of us, please. Let's have a huge round of applause for Ms. Parul. position or a title. It is action and example. On this note, I would like to welcome the strong epitome of CPJ College of Higher Studies and School of Law and mentor to all of us. Let's welcome Mr. Ram Chaturvedi, our Director General. He is a person with multi-dimensional skills, a product of Delhi University, as he has done his graduation in economics from Hindu College and a post-graduation in economics from prestigious Delhi School of Economics. With a diverse experience of nearly 3 decades, Sir has travelled extensively in India and abroad and has years of corporate exposures with leading multinational companies. Sir association with CPJ College for more than 9 years now is bringing rich laurels to the college in diverse areas. The student community is benefited by his guidance and they continuously get motivated by his personality development programs and pre-placement talks to get them for placements in the corporate and the legal world. With his support, hard work, motivation and passion, the college has become one of the leading institutes in Delhi. With this brief, it's our honor to invite the embodiment of college, Mr. Yugam Chaturvedi, Director General, to kindly come up on stage and give the inaugural address, please. Let's welcome Sir with huge round of applause, please.
Ms. Garima, and very good morning to you all, my dear students, and you parents who are seated at the back who are accompanying the students today. Welcome to the CPJ family. And it being a very important day for all the students, it being their orientation day, and any student definitely looks forward to it in one's life. And it's the start of a new innings, an innings which is going to be very, very vital, very important for your oncoming life. That's for sure. If you really look at it, we talk about orientation days, or farewell, freshers welcome, whatever you may excel in your academics, which you would, of course, as I've been seeing my students who had been a part of CPJ, who joined in the first year and were leaving in the final year. Their journey of 5 years in this college, from where to where they reached, I've seen that transformation in, I would say, majority of students. We joined in the first year and a little shy, not that confident, not too sure of where to be heading to, etc., etc. And by the time you're leaving, you're absolutely sure of anything and everything. Where are you headed to? What's your target? What's your future? What's your vision? Etc., etc. One thing which is different in this course is, unlike, as you said that yesterday we had for the BBA, CAM, BCA, and BCom honors, we had the orientation for these students. Unlike those courses, now that you're a student of law, one thing is for decided that you're going to be making your career in law. This is for sure. And very frankly speaking, this is the sole reason that why the integrated 5-year programs of law, they were being initiated by the government or the national law universities. Earlier, as I can say in my times, when I was a student, or some of the parents were seated at the back, and in fact Delhi University still follows that law LLB is after 3 years of graduation. So these 5 years of BLLB or BBLLB, they were initiated, started with basically this thought that when you talk about other professional courses like medicine, architecture, engineering, anybody who joins a BTech, one thing is for sure, he knows, I'm going to be a technocrat. Anybody who is joining engineering, whether it's a mechanical, electrical, chemical, civil, knows that this is where I'm going to be making my future in. Same way, this was considered that anybody joining the first year after, which is immediately after schooling, knows that where am I headed to? Where I am headed to, and this is something very important that you should understand, that you are headed to nothing but the legal fraternity. You are going to be part of the legal fraternity. And believe my words, this is the trend of late for a very long time in India. As you always see, there always have been times, And if you are going against the tide, it's always very difficult to survive. But if you are riding the tide automatically takes you where you wish to. So like if you really talk about early 90s, when India, under the leadership of Shri Rajiv Gandhi and the finance minister as Shri Manmohan Singh, the Indian economy got liberalized in post mid-80s, and we saw all those foreign banks, those investments and all those entities which were lying dead and dormant, they became active volcanoes like Standard Chartered Bank or Citibank or ANZ Greenlays Bank, who were here only for the corporates, not for retail. They started operating in retail. Your telecommunication had started, your FMCG industry, where earlier it was a luxury that somebody has a Sony TV or an Akai TV in one's household, which they would kind of brandish like anything, it became a common entity. So all those things when it was happening, finance became a major thing. MBA finance was the cut. Then suddenly late 90s, there was a sudden change in the whole world. IT industry took the whole world by a sweep. Today, anybody and everybody is carrying a cell in one's hand. Mobile technology. It was not there before 1997. When I was in Europe for years, mobiles weren't there. And even when I started my career in 1987-88, for 10 years, there was no mobiles. When I started my career, we had electronic typewriters, which were being followed. Even in London, I'm not talking about India, which is not that developed a nation as the European nations are. But it was not being invented. So when it is not being invented, how can it be applicable? Then came electronic typewriters, then came computers, and then in computers, how much innovation has happened that from where to where you have a tablet, you have all those things. So from the mobile phone, you can do anything and everything. So IT industry took a sweep and it became what? Anybody looking to making a career and has that tinge for that, IT became the norm. Certain things remained by the side always, like your humanities and all that has always remained as it is, but has never occupied a kind of a towering, volcanic or a what we call a tsunami kind of a wave. It has never taken that sweep. Then came law, especially in India, for the last 2 years I would say. Last decade I would say. Reason? Lot of reasons. Whenever any economy is developing, you will always find a lot of kind of conflicts, and as a result of those conflicts, the legal industry is the one which benefits the utmost. Whenever more rights are being exercised, whenever a nation becomes more democratic and more open towards it, all thoughts, there is always opposition to it, and then a lot of things like humanitarian laws, your other fundamental laws, etc., they become applicable, and this is how. I'm not a legal guy, so cannot really get into the depths of it with a lot of my faculties here who are smiling at me, but definitely, this is what is my gut feel about how things move. Anyway, so what I'm saying is, my students, coming back to the point of your orientation, you have chosen a field in which it is decided, it is not कि 3 साल की कोई graduation कर रहे हो तो उसके बाद सोचेंगे post graduation करनी है नहीं करनी है. If you are able to pick up a job, maybe I'll pick up a post graduation side by side. No second thoughts like that. It is there 5 years, boss. 5 years from now, today when you're joining in 2020, 2025, you will be walking out of this college absolutely as a legal graduate, a law graduate who has all the entitlement to start his practice, can be an advocate, clearing the bar examination, can sit for judicial services, can join any corporate in the legal field, and this is how it is going to be. But don't take it that easy also, my dear students. It's not that easy too. That you think that just having joined it can make you what you wish to be. And here I am going to be talking about the word called orientation. It's a very, very important word. It has very great depth in it. Don't take it superficially. Here you say it's an orientation day. But if you really talk in the English vocabulary, in the lexicography of English, what is meant by orientation? I can just say, what is the orientation of his personality? I would say his personality, he is very much oriented towards very negative thoughts. He is very oriented towards positivity in life. This is your basic orientation. So what is orientation? That is, the college today has given you a kind of a feeler that how you should be orienting yourself from today onwards. This is going to be a journey for 5 years. This is how you should be perceiving yourself, and this is how you should be taking yourself further towards where you wish to be. So this is a kind of a guidance on the orientation day to orient you people, you students, that having taken the law program as the course for your undergraduate studies, where would you be heading to? So this is it. But important thing, my advice to you, of course in this 5 years span, since we are going through the pandemic times, the colleges have been closed since the 12th of March. It's more than 9 months now. I think after 9 months I am seeing some crowd in the college, which is looking so good. I've been addressing students on the online platform, Zoom, etc. And I've always been telling them that a college is like a jungle. It's like a forest which looks so barren, so isolated, and absolutely without life, without its birds, and birds are nobody but the students. Students are the life of any college. They take that college where college to be, and this is what is going to be your contribution to the college. No two doubts about it. Believe my words on that. So what I am about to be putting across to you is, you would have heard me umpteen times. Any senior student of this college would definitely vouch for that. Hours of interactions with students that I've had in my sessions with them, have guided them, have counseled them, etc., that how things have been, how they are to be. And this is going to be with you people also, to be little lesser, couldn't be having that feel. Because come what may, we can't help it. इस समय ऑनलाइन माध्यम के थ्रू सब चलेंगी क्लासेस एंड ऑल, आपकी 21st से क्लासेस स्टार्ट हो जाएंगी। 19th को परसों आपका एक डेमो सेशन होएगा जिसमें आपको एलेबरेट किया जाएगा हाउ टू बी डूइंग ऑल दैट। अभी आपके साथ एक पीपीटी पावरपॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन जो शेयर की जाएगी यहाँ पर, उसको आपके व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में भी शेयर करेंगे जिससे कि आप उसको और एक बार देख सकें और चीज़ों को समझ सकें। एंड ऑफ कोर्स उसमें हाउ टू क्रिएट योर जूम अकाउंट, उसमें जूम लिंक में आप कैसे जाएंगे, वो सब चीज़ें जो है उसमें आपको अवगत कराएंगी एंड विल बी मोर नॉलेज अबाउट इट एंड हाउ इट इज टू बी डन। बट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज ऑफलाइन इज ऑफलाइन, ऑनलाइन इज ऑनलाइन। आज आपका ऑनलाइन ओरिएंटेशन जो हो रहा होता वो आपको ये इम्पैक्ट नहीं देता जो एक ऑफलाइन ओरिएंटेशन देगा, बिकॉज somehow in this you are definitely able to connect more. And we had only this wish that before starting your journey with CPJ College and School of Law, since you are the part of CPJ School of Law, before you commence that journey, we wanted you to have a feel of it, that what's that college like, what is it tomorrow when I address you on any online platform, you will be remembered, oh yes, this is our Director General Sir, Julan Sir, and it connect बनता है. So that connect would be, we really wish soonest possible things happen for good. Government allows, normalcy returns. Just 2 months from now, 3 months from now, it's going to be 1 year. 12th, as I said, 12th March, and if you look at it, it's not even 3 months are left for 12th March to be there. So nearly 9 months more when colleges are closed, and I don't see, very frankly speaking, another month to at least they will remain closed. So let's see what is to be. So this is one thing. Second thing, my advice to you, my students. Nothing in life comes, believe me, without hard work, without smart work, without efforts. But how your efforts are directed, how they are focused is where the success of your exist and life. And what I've learned is, having gone through a lot of biographies and autobiographies of people who have been so successful in their lives, in different plethora of activities and spheres, उससे मैंने यही जान पाया कि जिंदगी में जो मैंने बहुत जगह अलग अलग कॉलेजेस में अलग अलग ऑडियंस में कॉर्पोरेट्स में I have really spoken at length about this thing, that what exactly is that which can really make you successful. It's not written in any book or any kind of this thing or there's any theory. This is my own personal perception that if you are able to tap these three things, I still remember in IMM, Institute of Marketing and Management, and I remember it so candidly because that was a day before the century was turning. It was 30th of December 1999, because next day it was to be 2000. So I remember that day so well, a very cold evening at IMM, and I was asked to choose the subject, and I was quite thinking about it, and I chose one, which is how do you meet your mentor. Success mantra, how do you meet your mentor? It depends on you also, my students, that how beautifully do you meet your mentor. The complete success lies in that. Right from this moment, if you are able to kind of invest yourself into your mentor for the next 5 years, believe me, you have made your careers. You are going to, I can give it in writing, you are going to be established guys in your legal field and legal fraternity. Kindly ask who's at the back, behind the door. Sunny, chup karaiye unko piche. Outside the door. Yeah. So how do you meet your mentor is what is so important. Now, cutting short, I'll just say, met is God. 3 things which God has given free of gift. It's a free gift to you. But it is upon you how do you use it. क्योंकि ईश्वर ने आपको फ्री में दिया हुआ है तो आपको उसकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, पर उसी की these are the most invaluable 3 things which are there with you. And M stands for mind. Medical term bolo, brain. How do you invest your brain? How do you invest your mind? Is it towards a focused strategy? It is absolutely towards a target. Is it absolutely thinking positive? It is not getting, negative thoughts. It is not getting all those absolutely, the word I can say, bullish things into your mind. It is not, kind of ingesting anything like that, which would only bring you down. Things like jealousy or things like looking down upon others. Remain positive. Remain so positive. You remain positive. Positivity remains around you. There is a different genre in which you live. Mind is so important, that how you are directing your mind. Where are you directing it? Because wherever you are directing it, it reverts back to you. Absolutely, it's a basic, rule of life and rule of universe, I would say. And this mind, आप अपने दिमाग को किस दिशा में और किस रूप से लगाते हैं, क्योंकि जो भी कोई पैदा हुआ, God gave mind to him or her. How do you invest that and utilize that is where the success lies working. Second, E. E for me is energy. सब में energy है boss. जब सुबह उठोगे, you will definitely be energetic. But where do you invest that energy the whole day? Are you investing it into activities or into thoughts or into any kind of actions which are not going to be deliberating anything to you in the near future or maybe a far off future? No. It again would serve anything. Energy is very important. Extremely important where you investing your energy into. T. Absolutely, it's time. जब आप कोई भी पैदा हुआ, time start होगा. It started ticking. And this stops. God says, please come back to you. So it is there with you. But how do you invest that time? So how do you meet your men, your mind, your energy and your time? Your success is definitely a very strong mirror and a result of the investment of these 3 factors, or I would say kind of God-gifted elements to you. Since we have started a little late, I would not carry it much further. You would definitely get a lot of opportunities of hearing me and being with me in a lot of programs, in personality development programs, and lot other things. And no two doubts about it, it is going to be a great field together. Only one thing I would say, have a very strong belief in yourself. I'll give you an example. If anybody has visited the southern part of India, अगर आप दक्षिण भारत में आपने कभी भी यात्रा की हो, तो आपने नोट किया होगा कि रामेश्वरम है, आपके मदुरई है, आपके पद्मनाभम मंदिर है केरल में, रामेश्वरम अपने आप में धाम है। आपने नोट किया होगा इन सभी बड़े मंदिरों में साउथ इंडिया में खास करके हाथी जरूर होते हैं। एक परंपरा रही हुई है साउथ की। So when you see those, gigantic jumbos, विशालकाय हाथी, उसको आप देखेंगे तो एक खूंटी होगी और उस खूंटी से उस हाथी को छोटी सी जंजीर से उसके पैर को बांधा हुआ, राइट? देखा होगा शायद अगर कोई गया होगा, जिससे कि वो इधर उधर विचर ना सके, ही वुड रिमेन स्टेशन। पर आप अपने अगर विजडम को यूज करेंगे तो आप ये सोचेंगे कितनी अजीब सी बात है, ये इतना विशालकाय हाथी जो है ये तो एक झटका देगा और ये खूंटी पूरी उखड़ करके निकल आएगी। तो व्हाई डजंट ही डू इट? वैसा क्यों नहीं करता? क्या उसे इतना ट्रेन किया गया है? ऐसा कुछ नहीं, नथिंग लाइक दैट। होता ही है, ये छोटा सा हाथी का बच्चा पैदा होता है, एब्सोल्युटली द एलिफेंट काफ, जब उसके अंदर कोई ज्यादा जान या शक्ति नहीं होती, उसके उसी लेफ्ट पैर को खूंटी से उसी छोटी सी लोहे की जंजीर से बांध दिया जाता है, जिससे कि वो इधर उधर दौड़ भाग न कर सके। वो खूब कोशिश भी करता है उसे तोड़ने की, पर तोड़ नहीं पाता है। वो इसी बिलीफ के साथ वो हाथी बढ़ता है कि मैं ये कोशिश नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि मुझसे टूटेगी नहीं। और this belief that I would not be able to break this chain, it gets so strongly embedded in that elephant that it never tries to break that. This is the real answer to it. So don't have beliefs about yourselves which be wrong. Have good estimation about yourselves. Estimate yourselves in the right perspective. Do not have underestimation of yourself. अपने आप को underestimated बिल्कुल मत रखिए, properly estimated रखिए, and with that belief, a real best of journey of 5 years in CPJ. Believe me, you have taken a very good and a great decision to be called a CPGN from today, and you would never regret it. This is my promise to you. This is a promise of the complete management, all the functionaries and the faculties of the School of Law. You will get the best of education, learning and exposure to the college. Thank you so much and God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your words of wisdom and motivation with all of us. Now I would like to invite our Deputy Director, School of Law, Dr. Amit Jain, to kindly come up on stage and guide the students towards their path of building career in law. So let's give huge round of applause for Dr. Amit Jain, please.
गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स। नमस्कार सभी पेरेंट्स को जो आज यहाँ इस समय ओरिएंटेशन डे के इस महोत्सव में पधारे। इट इज़ माय ग्रेट प्लेजर टू वेलकम यू ऑल टू द CPJ School of Law. आई एम वेरी डिलाइटेड टू सी यू हियर इन दिस अर्ली मॉर्निंग. वेरी स्पेशल वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर दिस occasion to present in the campus for the orientation program. To the parents, I look forward for getting to know the exceptional young people you have raised and to helping them a rich array of opportunities for them to learn, to grow, to discover who they are and how they want to make a difference in this world. I'm not taking so much time without taking much time. I want to again welcome you all on this special occasion as DG sir had explained and elaborated all the terms of orientation day and what is the orientation and what will happen on the orientation day. CPJ incredibly talented faculty members will be your guides and allies in your exploration. I speak on this occasion for this. Welcome you all again. Thank you.
Ahead, it's time to give you all a brief insight on School of Law through a PowerPoint presentation. And for this, I would like to invite Ms. Preeti Goyal. She is presently working as an HOD of BALLB in Law Department. Her academic qualification includes MCom and BCom from Delhi University, and she is UGC NET qualified plus JRF in Commerce. She has 2 years of renowned experience in academic and teaching. Her areas of interest include economics, marketing, business management, and many more. She has presented various research papers in national, international conferences and seminars, and has published various research papers in national and international journals. I welcome you, ma'am. I would also like to welcome Mr. Vivek Tripathi, working as an assistant professor in Law Department. His academic qualification includes BALLB and LLM in criminology. He has 8 years of experience as court practice, and his areas of interest include civil and criminal both. He has presented various research papers in reputed conference, and he is also a law officer of the college. I welcome you, sir. Now I request Ms. Preeti Goyal and Mr. Vivek Tripathi to take over the podium and take us to the educational journey of CPJ School of Law. Let's welcome them with huge round of applause, please.
Strength of mind is increased, the intellect is expanded, and by which one can stand on one's own feet. A very good afternoon to all the senior dignitaries and dear students. I, Preeti Goyal, HOD BALLB Honours,
and I, Vivek Tripathi, Assistant Professor, School of Law,
on behalf of the entire CPJ family, welcome you all for the orientation program of BALLB Honours of the first year students. CPJ College is well recognized for its pedagogical environment and innovative strategies. This is very well evident when we look at the ranking of the CPJ College in various surveys conducted in 2020. CPJ School of Law has been ranked first amongst the GTS-IQ law colleges, third amongst the top law colleges in Delhi, sixth amongst the top law colleges in Delhi NCR by the Week Hansa Research Survey 2020, published in the Week magazine August 30th, 2020 issue. In India Today, MDRA Best Colleges Ranking Survey 2020 that was published in India Today magazine in the special issue of July 2020, CPJ College has been ranked first amongst the law colleges of TGSIT University Delhi consecutively third time in a row, first amongst the top law colleges in Delhi, sixth amongst top law colleges in Delhi and NCR. CPJ School of Law has also been ranked first amongst all GDS-IPU colleges, first amongst top Delhi private law colleges, and 22nd amongst top law colleges pan-India in Outlook Annual Ranking Survey 2020, published in the Outlook magazine issue dated 7 September 2020. Let's have a look at the CPJ CHS and SOL rankings in 2020 in different surveys conducted in 2020.
Thank you, Priya. Moving ahead, let's have a look at the key pillars of the CPJ who have been working day and night for the growth and development of the college. Shri Subhash Chandra Jain, Chairman of the CPJ College. Shri Subhash Chandra Jain is a gracious social worker and educationist with more than 45 years of experience and an alumni of Sri Ram College of Commerce. He has always given importance to hard work, sincerity and righteousness. He established CPJ College of Higher Studies and School of Law at Narela, Delhi, and the college is gaining immense academic excellence under his able guidance. Dr. Abhishek Jain, General Secretary. As a young dynamic entrepreneur, he is the guiding force towards making major policy decisions addressed to various issues at the college. He is constantly involved in bringing about innovative changes in the governance and functions of the college and management. Mr. Yugam Chaturvedi, Director General, a postgraduate in economics from the Delhi School of Economics. Mr. Yugam Chaturvedi has overall experience of more than 28 years of corporate sector and acting as a Director General of the college. The student community is getting exposed to diverse exposure with respect to personality development, mock interviews, and also getting geared up for placements in the corporate world under his guidance. Dr. Amit Jain, Deputy Director as well, an outstanding academic record and is the product of prestigious system throughout. He obtained PhD, MTech, BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering. Also had a PhD Management from MIT University Noida and MBA IMT Ghaziabad. He has published more than 81 research papers in reputed journals and proceedings of international and national conferences. Dr. Shalini Tyagi, Dean School of Law. Working as Dean School of Law, her academic qualification is BA, LLB, LLM, MPhil, UGC NET, PhD. She has total 15 years of academic and board practice experience. Her areas of interest include family law, criminal law. She has published 24 research papers in reputed international journals. Ms. Preeti Goyal, Head of Department BA-LLB Honours. Ms. Preeti Goyal is working as Head of Department in BA-LLB Honours. Her academic qualification MCOM, BCom from Delhi University, and she is UGC NET qualified plus year in Commerce. She has more than 3 years of experience in academic and teaching. Ms. Sunita Sharma, Head of Department BBA-LLB Honours. Ms. Sunita Sharma is working as the Head of Department in BBA-LLB Honours. Her academic qualification is MCOM, LLM, BA. She has 3 years of experience in academics. Moving ahead, let's have a look on the faculties of School of Law who will be teaching and helping you guys in shaping your career.
Moving ahead, now it's time to have a close look at the curriculum of your course, BA-LLB Honours, in which you all have taken admission. BA-LLB Honours is a combination of BA, Bachelors of Arts and LLB subjects. In the first 2 years, BA-LLB Honours covers subjects like political science, economics and sociology, as well as specialized law subjects such as tax laws, criminal laws, corporate laws, etc. In this program, students are exposed to various areas of laws, including the latest developments, keeping pace with the law firms. This is the academic calendar which has already been posted in your student WhatsApp group. This shows various activities and events that are scheduled for your current semester. Have a glimpse of the timetable. It has already been posted on your student WhatsApp groups. Now, have a look at the course structure of BA-LLB Honours. BA-LLB Honours program is divided into 10 semesters. Each semester has 5 theory subjects plus 1 comprehensive viva. This slide reflects the subjects covered in semester 1 and 2 of your first year, semester 2, 3 and 4 of second year. This slide shows subjects covered in semester 5 and 6 of third year, 7 and 8 of fourth year, and lastly this shows subjects covered in semester 9 and 10 in your fifth year. There is regular teaching up to 9th semester and dissertation and internship in the 10th semester. All this course structure has also been provided to you in the form of printouts kept in your folders. Apart from gaining theoretical knowledge in the subjects taught, we also aim at imparting practical skills to the students through PSDA activities. PSDA stands for Professional Skills Development Activities. Here is a glimpse of the PSDA activities of the respective subjects of your first semester and in second semester. Since you all are now admitted in CPJ College, you need to be aware of the criteria for the assessment. Students are assessed on the basis of three criteria. Firstly, examinations. The college follows the semester system in which the examinations are conducted twice a year as per the academic calendar of the GGS ITU. The external examination is conducted by the IT University for 75 marks and the internal examinations are conducted by the college for 25 marks. Total marks in a subject are 100. The internal examinations are held in our college itself. The internal examinations are conducted once in every semester. Second assessment criteria is PSGA. Students are also evaluated for their performance in the PSGA activities. This I have already briefed you in the last two slides. Third assessment criteria is comprehensive viva. A comprehensive viva is also conducted by the college at the end of each semester. The students are evaluated out of 100 marks on the basis of the subject they have studied in their semester.
Moving ahead, let's share some important information on mode of teaching for this semester. So you will be having an online class for this semester, and let's see how it will be going. The online classes for the first year students will be conducted through Zoom classroom as per the timetable posted on the WhatsApp group. To join the Zoom classroom, all the students are required to download the Zoom app and have Zoom account or need Zoom account. The process to create the Zoom account is as follows. Open https www.zoom.in through any browser. You can see on your screen. Then there is this process, click sign up free, enter prescribed email ID, click sign up, activate link sent by email ID, activate your Zoom account through email, enter basic detail asked and Zoom ID created. Once the Zoom ID is created, subsequent upon successful login, you are advised to mandatorily post the email ID so created on online class WhatsApp group for onward registration for the same, which is required to join the Zoom classroom. Instructions for the Zoom. The students will receive a mail from the respective official classroom ID. The students need to click on the respective link received on a new mail ID through which they will be registered as authenticated user in respective Zoom ID. The Zoom class link will be provided through your subject teacher. All the students to be ready 10 minutes prior to the lecture, which require IT apparatus like laptop, desktop, mobile, proper internet connectivity and earphones. You should be stationed in a noise-free location to avoid background disturbances along with notepad and pen. Keep a constant watch at the chat window to receive any instructions or necessary information from the concerned faculty. So let's introduce you all to the college system, ERP system. CPG College has introduced 12 campus ERP in order to manage all the academic and administrative functions of the college through an online mode. The following modules would be available to manage all the operations online through 12 campus app. Timetable module, attendance module, assignment module, online classroom module, quiz module, examination module, question time module, student feedback module, fees module, scholarship module, notice, circular module, and online public access catalog. There are some important guidelines for the students regarding attendance, discipline, library, and you all need to know these guidelines. So about class attendance, the students are required to have minimum of 75% of attendance in all subjects covered in semester. Under no circumstances, a student shall be allowed to appear in the internal examination if he or she has less than 75% of attendance in all the subjects or papers. Regular PTMs, parent-teacher meetings, are conducted periodic basis. apprising parents, guardians about their wards, academic as well as behavioral performance. About discipline and conduct rules. Act of discipline and misconduct is given under the Ordinance 3 of the Statute and Ordinances of the IP University official website. Without prejudice to the generality of the power to maintain and enforce discipline under this ordinance, the following shall amount to act of indiscipline or misconduct on the part of the students of the university and affiliated colleges and institutions. First, physical assault or threat to use physical force against any member of the teaching or non-teaching staff of the university or an affiliated college or institution or against any student of the university, an affiliated college or institution. Second, remaining absent from the class, test or examination or in any other circular or co-curricular activities which he is expected to participate in. And third, carrying of or use of or threat of use any weapon. Now, here is your exam policy. A student will be promoted to the next academic year only if such a student has obtained at least 50% rounding of full digits to the total credits of existing academic year for promotion of next academic year. Distribution of weight age for various components of evaluation shall be as below. Theory course internal examination 25%, annual and term examination 75%. The passing marks as the percentage of total marks, sum of both internal and internal examination, and shall not be less than 40%. There are some library rules and regulations about membership. The library is meant to be used for academic and reference study. Students shall have to apply for membership on the prescribed application form available in the library on request. Working hours. The general working hours of the library are 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. from Monday to Saturday. Issue and return of books is restricted to 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. on all working days. Borrower's card. The issue of borrower's library card will be regulated as follows. Number 3 cards shall be issued and rupees 5 per day or book. On the loss of library card. Duplicate card shall be issued on the payment of 150 rupees. Reference book will be issued for 1 hour on card for a student member. Loss of book, if any, shall be reported to the library staff immediately and shall be replaced by another title copy of the latest edition immediately. Book pen facility. Library has book pen facility as well, which is very much helpful in fulfilling a student's requirement for the prescribed book on semester basis. About distribution, a student may get a maximum of 5 books on the book bank at a time. Books will be issued at the beginning of each semester as per the schedule notified for the purpose. Books will be issued for whole semester. Students will be required to deposit the books after the completion of the exam as per the schedule notified.
CPJ organizes various internships that help students to acquire direct practical experience in law firms, that students can acquaint first-hand information about the working environment. Due to COVID pandemic, this year internship drives were being held in the online mode. Here are some glimpses of the various internship drives held in the recent past. You can see here that various students are being selected at internship drives at Corporate Legal Partners, Lex Indies, Sankland Associates, Nuts and Partners, and many more. Academic webinars are being organized to enhance overall personal development of students in various fields. Various distinguished speakers are being invited to address and guide the students. These are the glimpses of some academic webinars. Now, to help building quality in education, we also organize Parents-Teacher Meeting, PTM, every semester in the mutual interest of both the students and the college. PTM is conducted twice a year, once in each semester. Again, due to COVID situation, this semester, PTM was being held in the online mode. Here are the glimpses of PTM conducted at our campus. And on the right hand side, you can see the glimpse of the PTM in the online mode. This was conducted just a month ago. The CPJ College organizes various academic activities both at the inter-college level and at the inter-college level. We also organize national level events like workshops, seminars, conferences, etc. Every year, the CPJ School of Law organizes National Law Festival, Law Fiesta. These are the glimpses of the Law Fiesta of recent past in the years 2019, 18, 2017 and 2016. In Law Fiesta, teams from different law colleges and universities across the country participate in various events like judgment writing competition, moot court competition, client counseling competition, national conference, debate competition. Again, here are some glimpses of the quiz competition that are being conducted in the college both at the inter-college level as well as at the inter-college level. CPJ College also organizes various court visits to give the law students an insight on as to how they have to give them better academic exposure. Just have a look at the visit to Dwarka Court, visit to High Court, visit to Rohini Court, visit to Supreme Court, visit to Parliament, 30,000 Court.
Moving ahead from academics, CPJ also organizes various cultural and co-curricular activities which breaks the monotony and brings the zeal among the students for better performance and in diverse fields. First, free legal aid and camp. To provide legal assistance to the general public, CPJ organizes legal aid camp. Here are some glimpses of the legal aid camp in association with Delhi State Legal Services Authority, North Zone Rohini, with Federation of Narela. Now about excursions. We at the CPJ organize various educational excursion trips for the students to give them an opportunity to learn with enjoyment. CPJ organized national as well as international excursion trips. Let's have a look on national excursion trips which were about Manali, Jim Corbett and Nainital, etc. We also organize international excursion trips like Sri Lanka, Tashkent and Dubai. CPJ keeps on organizing various cultural events to celebrate the festivals every year. One such celebration is our own Diwali fest, that is called Ullas. Here are some of the glimpses of the grand cultural fest Ullas from last Diwali. The students participated in various programs and competitions as well. Here are some glimpses of freshers at CPJ from the past year. Convocation ceremony from the past year. Here are some glimpses. Farewell as well, glimpse of farewell. So we have clubs and committees also. For development of the students, we have formed clubs and committees. Let's have a look on the various clubs and committees at the CPJ. There is dance club, music club, photography club, moot court committee, fine arts club, the fashion club, legal aid committee, literary committee and dramatic club. We have cultural clubs and committees at CPJ. One is Jhankar. Jhankar is dance club. Another is Dhwani. Dhwani is music club. Then Lekni is literary club. Muskurata, it is Mukhota, it is dramatic club. Then Alankrit, it is fashion club. Abhivyakti is the fine arts club. Pratibimb is photography club. Moot court committee, that is for moot court competition, and legal aid committee for free legal aid. Now there are some rules for membership for cultural clubs. The students are required to fill the Google form in order to apply and register for being a member of any of the cultural clubs as per their interest. The notice for the audition shall be notified on the respective students' class WhatsApp group. The auditions would be taken via online offline mode. The list of the selected students for respective cultural clubs would be notified. The selected students for respective cultural clubs need to be coordinated with their respective cultural club president and vice president.
So any student having their interest in any of these clubs can register themselves and be a part of it. Coming to the sports, sports are a necessary part of development of young mind. CPJ provides the best platform for building champions in sports. Students here at CPJ participate in various intra and inter-college sports competitions. CPJ has backed various sports awards in cricket, kabaddi, etc. We were the winners of GJ's IPU Cricket Trophy in 2015, 2016 and 17, 3 years in a row. We were also winners in the kabaddi tournaments. Interested students may contact Mr. Sachin Jindal sir. He is the sports in charge. Now coming to the Anumunj zonals. Every year, GJ's IPU organizes annual cultural festival Anumunj. Students from various colleges at IT University participate with great enthusiasm. We, faculty, here at CPJ motivate and guide the students to come ahead and participate in these events. CPJ has backed various prizes and positions in these cultural events from time to time. Have a look at the various events held at the Anumunj. Students, you have taken admission here. Today you are here for the orientation program, and 5 years down the road you will become the passouts of this college. To stay connected with the passout students of the college, the CPJ college has formed Alumni Association Reconnect to bring the alumni together by organizing alumni meet once in a year. Here are some glimpses of the alumni meet conducted in the recent past in January 2020. We extend warm welcome to the students aspiring to join our college with an assurance that the college shall contribute its best to develop not only your domain of knowledge but also enhance your personality and boost up your belief in yourself. Thank you.
And all the very best for your upcoming future.
With the journey of our college, students in CPJ, we train you to be the best lawyer who can bring a valuable change in the society. Now, it gives me immense pride to invite Miss Pankuri, the final year student of BALB. The creativity and versatility flows in her blood. She is the star and the president of Jhankar Cultural Club. I request Pankuri to come up on podium and share her journey with CPJ with the first year students, please. Let's give her a huge round of applause, please.
Thank you, ma'am. It gives me chills again. Even after 4 years, I'm still scared. So, 4 years back, around 2016, a shy girl, I cannot say now, started her journey. One of you sitting there, just as scared as you guys are, as excited you guys are to start your new journey. I started my journey from this stage, and today I feel proud to stand again at this stage and address you all. A very good afternoon to everyone. I'm Pankuri Khandpur, a BA LLB student, final year student, president of Jhankar Club. I feel like the things taught in school and colleges are not an education, but the means to education. And at CPJ, the education is just not limited to books and classrooms, but it is spread throughout the campus. You can find a learning at any corner of the college, even if it's the best memories we have is in the playgrounds, the auditoriums, the competition we prepare for. And because of that, we have many clubs in our college. Because of that, we have won many competitions, whether it's intra-college or inter-college. The Anupoons, the cricket matches, the kabaddi matches. The confidence we have gained is due to CPJ because we were pushed just not to sit in classes and take lectures, but to build our talents, to continue our hobbies we have. And that's why I am today standing here as the final year student, having the courage to address you all. I remember my first year when I was one of you sitting over there, and it was like, 5 साल यार बहुत लंबा कोर्स है, 5 साल कैसे निकलेंगे? और आज 5 साल बाद ऐसा लग रहा है यार 5 साल वो गए कहाँ? वो वापस ले दो, कोई बात नहीं, हम फिर से कर लेंगे. सर LLM ले आओ कॉलेज के लिए.
Right, you're doing that.
LLM ले आओ.
Right.
The teachers here are just more than friends for us. मतलब फर्स्ट ईयर में हम बोलते थे चलो बंक मारते हैं, थोड़ा सा बंक मार लेते हैं. फाइनल ईयर आते तक हम लोग ऐसे हो गए, नहीं मैम का लेक्चर है आज तो क्लास लेनी है, सर विवेक सर का लेक्चर है आज तो क्लास लेनी है, आज क्लास में ही बैठेंगे, कोई बात नहीं मैम से बात करेंगे आज. तो जो टीचर्स ने हमें दिया है एजुकेशन वाइज, एज अ फ्रेंड वाइज, बहुत बहुत स्पेशल है. एंड आई थैंक एवरी टीचर जिन्होंने हमें हेल्प करा बुक्स के लिए, चाहे शॉर्ट अटेंडेंस हो, चाहे डिबार होने से बचाने के लिए. तो सबके लिए बहुत बहुत थैंक यू है सारी टीचर्स को. एंड युवांग सर के लिए मैं जितना कह लूँ उतना कम रहता है. आई थिंक वर्ड्स आर लेस टू डिस्क्राइब हिम, व्हाट ही डज फॉर हिज स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट ही डज फॉर दिस कॉलेज, फॉर हिज टीचर्स ऑल्सो. आई मीन कोई भी बोल सकता है कि युवांग सर है तो फिर वो जान आती है हर कॉम्पिटिशन में, जो हमें पुश करते रहते हैं सर कि नहीं तुम कर सकते हो. एंड सर आई लुक अप टू यू, यू आर माई इंस्पिरेशन. जिस तरीके से आप कभी भी ऑन स्टेज आके कभी भी एड्रेस कर सकते हो, ही इज लाइक अ एल्डर ब्रदर जो आपकी बात भी बैठ के सुनेंगे, एंड लाइक अ फादर जो आप गलत करोगे तो आपको डांटेंगे. So thank you so much, sir.
Pleasure, pleasure.
And lastly, I also believe that an investment in knowledge always pays the best in trust. And trust me, for me, investing in CPJ did pay off. Because whatever I am today, whatever I am having today, whatever confidence I have, is because of CPJ, because of the teachers, and because of Ivan, sir. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
And all the best for your future, guys.
Will be complete without the concluding words by our mentor Yavang sir. We would kindly request sir to come forward and give the concluding remarks and also head the question and answer round. Students, if you have any questions, you can address sir. Let's welcome sir with huge round of applause, please.
Also, guys, I forgot one thing. No competition or no program is incomplete without sir singing. We have been obliged, we have been lucky to hear him, and I hope you will get lucky today.
Not
Sir,
today,
please.
not today. Yeah, students, that is the sole reason that, why we proposed an offline orientation for you all, because that connect comes only there. Pankuri is here because her younger brother has joined the same college. First year he must be sitting one amongst you. And this is a beautiful feeling that when the elder sibling is passing out in the final year from the college, the younger one joins the first year. So the continuity remains from that family and everything remains on. So God bless Pankuri. Nice knowing your thoughts and feelings. And students, before we conclude, because a lot more to be done, you can pick up your library tickets, your book bank books for this semester, and of course at the same time you also, whosoever has contributed for that will be measured for your corporate dress as well. And this is the question answer round, and anybody who has any kind of a question in the back of your mind, please ask. I'm there to resolve it and give an answer to that. Anything which be there at the back of your mind, you can please speak that so that I can give an answer back to you. We have some awards also for this as a gesture. for today's orientation. Awards in the sense that anybody who wants to interact with the question and all, we would recognize that and definitely would award you for your interactive skill. I need not to be that skilly today, that's fine, whatever that you may speak. कोई भी किसी के दिमाग में कोई शंका हो, कोई क्वेरी हो, पेरेंट्स भी हैं पीछे, if any parents want to ask anything, we are there to resolve. No question? Oh yes, please. What's your good name?
Hitesh.
Ritesh.
Hitesh, sir. Hitesh.
Okay, Hitesh, yeah.
Sir, how can we be the part of cultural groups, sir?
How to be?
The part of cultural groups.
Okay, very well asked, please Hitesh. As has been indicated, we have few cultural clubs and very soon, because what was to happen in February itself, we had to be, Pankuri would be very well aware of it, being the president of Jhankar, the dance club, the Prithvidev is a photographic club, Dhwani is a music club, etc. etc. When you really look at it, we were to make, in fact all the members and all have already, the major members to it has already been there, but the new students who come in, as you all are, whosoever has whatever interest in that, I'll get that initiated today, or you can be rest assured in the coming week for sure. On your class WhatsApp group, a Google link would be shared, okay? And in that Google link, you will be giving your name, your interest for which club, and giving few liners about it and why do you feel interested towards it. And you will automatically be made a member of that club, and whatever activities that will be taking place in that club, you will be very much a part to it, and no two doubts about it. Very, very frankly speaking, if you really look at it, the college remaining in an offline mode, in an online mode, यहाँ पर classes आपकी offline नहीं चल रही हैं, interactive skills वैसे नहीं हो रही हैं, otherwise आपका very frankly speaking, immediately आपके orientation के एक हफ्ते के अंदर आपका freshers welcome होता है college में हमेशा, that is another one day memorable to all the freshers. But because of the COVID, we would not do that. क्योंकि यहाँ तो आज फिर भी आप लोग एक सीट छोड़ के बैठे हुए हैं, वो जो बहुत बनता है freshers welcome का, that is a very enchanting one, where your senior students and all that perform lot of things, lot of activities happen, lot of fun and frolic. So we make the Miss Fresher and Mr. Fresher contests also. All those things happen. This year we will be not going for that because I'm pretty sure of it that